Welcome to Nature Palette's second episode, in which we are showcasing 6 different Indian traditional folk art forms. India is a land of rich cultural heritage which is enriched by an extremely great number of folk art. These folk art forms are an embodiment of the diverse cultures within the country, and each one is different and unique in its way. Here are some of the best known folk art forms of India. Pichwai are large devotional Hindu painted pictures, normally on cloth, which portray Krishna. The purpose of Pichwai, other than its artistic appeal, is to narrate the tales of Krishna. Kalamkari is a type of hand-painted or block-printed cotton textile produced in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Motifs drawn in Kalamkari span from lotus, peacock to divine characters of Hindu epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with nature and the scenes and deities from ancient epics. Natural objects. Madhubani art has two main styles, Bharni and Kachni. Wali painting was created by the tribal people in Maharashtra state of India. The Wali culture is centered on the concept of Mother Nature. The Wali artists used to do these paintings on the walls of their village huts using rice flour paste. These paintings use a set of basic geometric shapes like circle, triangle and a square, depicting their day-to-day routine activities like farming, fishing, hunting, etc. Gond paintings are a form of folk and tribal art that is practiced by the Gond tribe of Madhya Pradesh state of India. Far art is a religious folk style scroll art practiced in Rajasthan state of India. This style of painting is traditionally done on a long scroll of cloth or canvas called far. We are genuinely delighted to represent our Indian folk art, which is the spirit of our art culture. We must treasure the Indian folk art and pass it to our next generation.